Do you know how to say learn in Japanese? There are several different ways to say this, but in this video, I will explain 3 commonly used expressions. To study, 勉強します. If you say 日本語を勉強します, it means I will study Japanese. If you are currently studying, then say 日本語を勉強しています. ています here is to explain a habitual activity or ongoing activity. You can also say 日本語の勉強をしています. You notice the particle を is moved to after 勉強. But we don't say 日本語を勉強をしています. You should avoid having 2 of the same particle in a sentence like this. Use either 日本語を勉強しています or 日本語の勉強をしています. To learn, 習います. 日本語を習います. I will learn Japanese. 日本語を習っています. I am learning Japanese. By using ています, it explains that the action is habitual. Now, there is one crucial difference between 勉強する and 習う in Japanese. 習う implies there is a teacher, while 勉強する can be either studying by yourself or studying in a class. To be taught, 教えてもらう. Another way to say learn is 教えてもらいます. It means to be taught by someone, but it's similar to saying taking lessons from someone. 日本語を教えてもらいます. I'll be taking lessons. 日本語を教えてもらっています. I'm taking lessons. Obviously, this expression implies someone is teaching. Difference from 習う is that often 教えてもらう is used for tutoring. 教えてもらう sounds more intimate type of teaching than 習う. Here are some more examples. 大学で日本語を勉強しています. I'm studying Japanese at the university. This can mean either studying at the university facility right now or taking a course at the university. You should be able to know from the context of a conversation, but if not, you can ask to clarify. 山本さんに空手を習っています. You use に after the name of the person teaching the skills. 山田さんにフランス語を教えてもらっています. I'm taking French language lessons from Mr. Yamada. Similar to the previous sentence, you will need to use the particle に after the name of a person teaching. I hope you understood 3 different ways to say learn in Japanese and how to use them. Thank you for watching.